Welcome to BestusefulTips. Here I will show you how to turn up Google location history Android device. Open app drawer in your Android device. Tap on a Google app. Tap on a profile icon at top right corner. Tap on a Google account. Here you can see different tabs. Tap on a data and personalization. Under activity controls, you can see web and activity, location history, YouTube history. Tap on a location history. By default, enable Google location history in your device. To disable it, toggle off. Scroll down. Tap on a push. Now here you can see disable or push a Google location history. You can also choose auto delete option or manage activity on your location. To turn on again, toggle on location history. Scroll down. Tap on turn on to turn on location history. Tap on turn on. Now you can see again enable location history in your latest Android device. It's quite easy to enable or disable Google location history on your Android device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.